guys ready to see the best shot ever?
You've gotten it over the fence into the bushes every time. What makes you think this time's gonna be any different? Shut up!
Okay, 3, 2, 1, shoot!
Where did it go? I don't see it anywhere. I'll do it. I'm so sorry again, Mrs. Kensworth. I hope Ella feels better soon.
Get out of my house right now, you mean horrible, stinky children!
Okay, Milo, Kennedy, come on, we're leaving.
I am never playing basketball again.
Oh, it looks like a storm's starting. You two go take a shower and I'll start dinner.
What am I forgetting? You forgot to pick me up from the library. I had to walk home in the pouring rain.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Lainey. The twins took out a child with a basketball. I was quite distracted by that.
Ugh, of course they did.
Sorry, sweetie, but go dry off. Dinner's almost ready.
And then he threw the pencil across the room. Yeah, and it hit the teacher.
Well, maybe Vivian shouldn't crash out over a missing glue stick.
Jake, the wind is really picking up out there. Did you remember to bring in the trash cans?
I'll be right back. I have to go for a little walk.
A walk? Guys, Dad's been gone for a while.
Is he still chasing the trash can down?
Well, the rain and thunder are really picking up. So he better hurry before...
My pickles!
No, don't open that. You're gonna let all the cold air out.
My pickles are in there!
If you open that, all the food will go bad.
We're gonna die!
Forget the pickles. Where's Dad?
Where is this dang trash can? And why is it so hot? Well, Florida does get quite warm. Florida!